So hi, hello everyone, welcome back for Logical. So you have given me a more love and more you have shown attraction to me on my video that my laptop is not on. So I provided a basic method to how to our laptop will be on if we freeze our laptop. So today I have come up with a new idea and created a 5 different types of method how our laptop will can on if it is not on. So if you like this video, like, share, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if this video is also, this 5 different methods is also not solving your problem means, then your laptop or PC, I will create a separate video based on PC if it is not on means. This is related to laptop will be any company, it doesn't matter, either it may be Dell, HP, Mac, anything, it doesn't matter. If your laptop is not on means this 5 different methods will definitely work for your laptop. If not, if this method is not working means, then your laptop is having some hardware trouble, you need to go to a hardware technician and repair it. This video is creating based on my talent, and these 5 different methods will 101% it will solve your laptop problem. Suggestion for improvement. So before going to start this video, one of my request is like, share and subscribe my channel once again.
So these are the 5 different steps, you can refer it. So in this, the step number 1 is check battery. So before going to start a laptop, so remove a battery and you remove your battery and place another one battery. If you have not having another one battery means you can take it from your friend, and once you place the new battery, just try to on your laptop. If this method is working is good, if not, then try the next method. So step number 2 the means this is a step number 2 in this 5 different steps. So the step number 2 is check the charger. So once you put your laptop on a charging, at that time, what do you mean no means, if your charger is good means then only it can charge your laptop. If it is not good means your laptop will not charge and it will not on. So this is a method number 2 why our laptop will not on, means check your charger. If you have not having another extra spare charger means, so collect it from your friends, and once you got a laptop from your friend and you can charge and see. Once you, before going to do any other thing, first check your charger, step number 2, and step number 1 is check the battery. And the step number 3, the method number 3 is check overcharge. At the suppose at that time if you use your laptop for a maximum hours, no, at that time your smps will be, power supply will be gone more for our laptop. So for detailed information for this method or step number 3, you can watch my video. I have given a link in description. Understood? And step number 4 and method number 4, step number 4 is check ribbon. Means what do you mean by this check ribbon means, once you open your laptop, no, at that time slowly bend it like this. Understood? Slowly bend it like this. Slowly bend it up to a 60 to 70 degree. You will find a sum of blinking of lighting on a screen. If you find that means it is a problem of a ribbon in our laptop. So to solve this, you need to contact a hardware technician to repair this. And the step number 5, this is last and foremost 5 different methods. It will definitely fix your problem that your laptop is not on. I mean, the last method is check the RAM. To do this, if you are familiar, if you have confident, then follow this step number 5. If not, you can contact a hardware store or hardware technician. To do that, you need to remove your back cover. I am not removed for a time consuming. Just remove these screws by a screwdriver. It will be opened. Once you open, no, see this type of RAM will be there. I have replaced this from my this laptop to this is my old RAM. So once you find it, remove it here. See, this is our RAM. So clean it with a soft paper. Clean this with a soft paper or a soft cloth, piece of cloth. Clean it, brush it. The RAM will be, once you open this, no, by removing your battery, the RAM will be placed here in this section. You need to clean it and place it as it is. If not, if possible, try this method by cleaning and replacing. If it will not on means, you can replace your new RAM. You purchase new RAM and replace it. So I have faced this error. In these 5 different methods, my RAM was not working. Once I replaced that RAM, my charge laptop has been become normal and it has been owning. So first I tried to by clean this, brushed up this and use the laptop. It 3 to 4 months it has been running. After that it will has been game same issue. At that time I had been replaced my RAM. So from past once I replaced, no, from past 2 to 3 months it has not giving any error. So I am using it flexible manner. So in these 5 different methods I replaced my RAM and it is okay, 101% it has been done running. So these are the 5 different methods. It will be solve your problem 101%. Your laptop is not on means. If not, I will make further video based on this. So at that time don't worry, be happy. Thank you.